welcome to my channel. Guys, yeah, it's a beautiful Sunday. So there is this plant exhibition here at the National Theatre. I'm going to. Please come along with me.
It's just this verse which has been weighing heavy on my heart. John 13:34, where Jesus says, "A new command I give you, love one another. As I have loved you, so you must love one another." Firstly, it was love one another as you love yourself. But this new command Jesus is giving us, the standard has changed. It is, as I have loved you. I would love to know, what does loving others like Jesus look like in your life? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you.
Hi everyone, my name is Maria. We are at National Theatre. We are here for the UTPA flower show. I don't like flowers that much, but my sister likes them, so I'm here as moral support. Yay!
Thing about me, I absolutely love plants. So when I heard about the Uganda Tropical Plant Association exhibition at National Theatre, I knew I had to go. And then let me tell you, it did not disappoint. The moment I walked in, I was surrounded by every shade of green you could imagine. It honestly felt like stepping into a little paradise for plant lovers. There were beautiful succulents with the most interesting shapes, elegant orchids that looked almost too perfect to be real.
It looks like a plastic plant, but when you touch it, it feels so smooth and soft. This one is called a fox tail fan. Oh my god, it's a fan! I've never seen a fan like this. Think petunias. Right there! It's so beautiful.
These ones, like petunias, you sow them through seeds. Some of them are exotic plants that I imported from Thailand, because now most of my collection, I do get plants from Thailand. Yes.
Wow.
But these other ones, let me say they are tropical plants. Yes, but these are seeded from seed.
Oh.
Yeah, I just seed them.
Okay.
Yes, and these I can do cuttings as well, but petunias, I do seed them.
Can the cuttings, these ones, can they survive in water? Can they do propagation?
Propagation, because if it is a soft stem,
Yeah.
it can also sprout in water.
In water, eh? Yeah. And this one looks like a rubber plant.
So this one is a philodendron. There are so many types of philodendrons. You
Yeah.
can't exhaust them. There's so many. But it's also a type of philodendron.
Sometimes we rush through life so quickly that we forget to notice the details our Creator has woven into the world around us. But nature has a way of slowing us down. It invites us to observe, to appreciate, and to simply be present. It invites me to marvel at how creative and intentional my God is.
Hi. So I've just run into one of my friends. We always exhibit together at the hangout in Ginger. You know, I have a business in herbs and spices. And she has a business
in flowers.
in flowers and plants.
It's called Simply Flowers and More.
Simply Flowers and
Yeah.
more. Oh my God, I'm always going at her exhibition table every time I'm at that market. So I'm so happy I've run into you.
Nice to see
So
you.
nice to see you too. So we are going to go to her stall and we check out what she's vending today, what she's exhibiting, but they're always beautiful stuff.
During our walk through the tropical plant exhibitions, we fell upon this cage which had some weird looking birds, but if you look closer they looked like pigeons. So we asked the owner of the stall and he was like, yeah, they are Egyptian pigeons. My God, I had never seen anything like it. And the whole cage was going for 2.5 million Uganda shillings, if I recall very well. Anyway, we just stared at it and we were like, oh, we had never seen anything like it. So we admired from afar and we moved on.
Color roads on the sandy, now they are beautiful. No one, drive on through. Can't I go? Can't I go even if it is red? There's no one. Every time I need to take that way, I gotta go that way.
Yeah. Kakokalo. We pass by KFC, so Sunday is our cheat day. Sunday is when we go all out crazy on having all the junk in the world. So we passed by KFC and grabbed some sticky wings. Take away. Yeah.